Today I'm going to show you how to create my Kooky Craftables turkey paper art toy. But while I do, I'm going to share a story of a true event that flipped my world upside down. Even though it nearly landed me in the hospital, the knowledge I gained changed my life forever. Don't worry though, I'll explain how you can get this turkey template so you can make this project too. But once upon a time, in what feels like ancient history now, my family had a tradition of gathering at a beautiful old farmhouse for the holidays. It was one of those places that smelled of history, wood, and maybe a dash of mystery. A small pond sat in front of the house with a narrow path that led around it to a massive red barn where we balanced precariously on wooden beams over giant piles of hay. We'd be called in for dinner by the sounds of a bell perched on a pole next to the house. And after the turkey had been devoured and the dishes hand-washed and put away, the grown-ups reconvened in the dining room. There they'd form a council of sorts, armed with steaming mugs filled with a mysterious elixir. Some sprinkled sugar like fairy dust, while others dared to add milk. And I, an eager young soul, wondered what this puzzling potion actually was. It looked a little bit like chocolate, but it didn't smell like it. Determined to join their ranks, I took a seat among the grown-ups, my tiny hands gripping a mug like it was the Holy Grail. As the dark, swirling liquid was poured into my awaiting mug, I felt like I was becoming part of an ancient ritual. Steam curled upward like whispers from a hidden realm. With a nod of approval from the elders, I drank. The liquid concoction assaulted my taste buds with intense bitterness. I felt like I had 100 bees in my mouth, stinging me, and I was left with an aftertaste of charred wood and regret. To make matters worse, in my haste to prove my maturity, I had taken a massive molten mouthful of fluid that was perhaps equal to the temperature of our solar system's sun. As I fumbled for composure, desperately trying not to vomit all over the dining room table, the adults looked at me with horror. Yes, it turned out the magical brew wasn't chocolate at all. It was the notorious and acquired taste of black coffee. Mystery solved, taste buds traumatized, mouth severely scalded. In the aftermath of my failed initiation into the realm of adult beverages, which stays with me even to this day, I learned this valuable lesson. Thanksgiving isn't just about food. Be thankful for the mishaps that make us wiser, the weird tastes that broaden our palates, and the laughter that stitches together the fabric of our lives. But most importantly, here's to knowing that even the most bitter experiences can be sweetened by the joy of stepping out of your comfort zone, trying something new, and expanding your mind. Instead of sharing coffee at your next family function, share the experience of making this easy-to-build papercraft turkey. Just head over to my website called Kooky Craftables and download the printable for free. But before you do, you'll want to watch my Construct a Kringle tutorial video to keep the crafty holiday vibes going.